Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. I'm excited to tell you about the Epson SC-F570 Sublimation printer that we are stocking nationwide with free freight. Let me show you what's all in the box. All right, now that you have everything unboxed, let me show you exactly what comes with it. You get 2 sets of inks. This first set, it actually has 140 milliliters in each bottle. And it's so cool because it comes with a whole nother set of inks, which is also 140 milliliters in each container. And then it comes with this Epson Edge Print Pro that you would load on your computer to help you get a good color. Comes with the power cord. And then it comes with 3 rolls of paper. 2 of them are 17-inch by 100-foot rolls, and 1 24-inch by 100-foot roll. With this wide format printer, you can do rolls and you can also do single sheets. The single sheets that go in this, you can go up to 11 by 17. And this is the paper catch tray that you'll place on the front of the printer that will catch these single sheets as they come out. This is the maintenance box, which is also known as the waste ink collector unit. One is already placed in it, but it does come with a whole second one that once this is filled, you can use this one. This system is so easy to set up and you'll be printing in no time. Free tech support from our industry-leading sublimation specialist is also available at the number or email address below. Thanks for watching.